Well, there's call both for the Chief Minister and the Health Minister of the state to step down, but the Chhattisgarh Health Minister refusing to step down. Here's what he says in this exclusive interview to NewsX.
नहीं, परिजन यहाँ संतुष्ट है और हमने सारी व्यवस्थाएं की हैं। आप स्वयं देख रहे हैं कि शासन ने जिस तत्परता के साथ इनको संभाल रहे हैं, सारे डॉक्टर बुला रहे हैं, हैदराबाद से बुला रहे हैं और स्थिति अभी नियंत्रण में है। 4-5 लोग जरूर क्रिटिकल है और उनके परिजन भी संतुष्ट हैं, उनकी भी सारी व्यवस्था की गई है। ये सारे विषय की जांच आज जुडिशरी इंक्वायरी हमने घोषणा कर दी है, क्योंकि जितने भी विषय हैं, क्योंकि कई प्रकार के विषय उठ रहे हैं और इसलिए आवश्यक हो गया था कि जुडिशरी उसकी इंक्वायरी करे। हमने आज उसकी घोषणा कर दी है और वो निष्पक्ष जांच हम सब कराएंगे।
डॉक्टर गुप्ता कह रहे हैं कि उनको फंसाया जा रहा है, उनका कोई आरोप नहीं है। अगर सब स्टैंडर्ड दवाइयां होंगी, नकली दवाइयां होंगी तो वो क्या करेंगे? उनका काम तो सर्जरी करना है।
देखिए, डॉक्टर गुप्ता क्या कह रहे हैं विषय वो नहीं है और हमने जुडिशरी कमेटी की जब गठित कर दिया उसमें अपना पक्ष रखेंगे और मैंने पहले ही कह दिया कि मेरा निर्णय पार्टी करती है।
आप अपने मोरल अभी आपको लगता है कोई
नहीं, मतलब मेरी नैतिक जिम्मेदारी है, लेकिन उसके रेजिग्नेशन से कोई संबंध नहीं।
Well, the Chhattisgarh Health Minister, they're completely refusing to step down, saying that all that his government has done is step into action quickly. Let's get in some more inputs from our correspondent Supriya Bharadwaj. Supriya, the Chief Minister of the state, the Health Minister of the state seem to be completely satisfied with all their so-called action that they've taken. But what about bringing justice for these women, for the manner in which evidence was destroyed, for the manner in which substandard tools and equipment and medicines used were burned soon after the surgeries, and also for the manner in which more such camps have been conducted post this tragedy?
Well, certainly, yes, Seher, somebody has to come out and give answers to all these questions as to why just a doctor is being made a scapegoat. Why not the onus rest with the highest people in the office? This is what the Congress party and leading women activists in the country are asking for. They are saying that Prime Minister now should step in and he should ensure that the CM ask his health minister to step down. As far as the women activists are concerned, they are also saying that the health minister has to take the onus of the entire sordid saga that has happened in Chhattisgarh, and they are saying this is not just one-off case. There are cases after cases where such a situation was taking place. However, they were being brushed aside, and they are saying that the health minister has to step down because it is his district where these camps were being organized. And earlier also in past, certain cases like these have happened where people ended up losing their eyes in a cataract camp which was organized. Also, the women activists and the opposition are demanding that immediately all such camps should be stopped and a proper medical facility center should be
and here's
set up
what
to
the
provide
Congress is
relief
maintaining.
to
The
those
Congress
who are,
continues to slam the Chhattisgarh government with news breaking this minute. A reaction that's come in from Shobha Oza of the Congress, once again demanding the resignation of both the Chief Minister as well as the Health Minister.
Incidents. And this is not the first incident. Earlier also Chhattisgarh has seen such incidents where illegal uterus were removed, where people lost their sight under the regime of the same CM and the same health minister. And it seems that the medicines which were used were substandard and fake and even of expiry date. And these poor people have to pay the price of it by giving their lives. If the Chief Minister, the Health Minister had some morals, they would have resigned on moral ground, would have taken the onus, would have owned the moral responsibility, but it seems they are too shameless to take skin. On one hand, these poor people have lost their daughter-in-law, their mother. On the other hand, the state government is trying to cover up all the evidence wherein nobody's responsibility is fixed. And just by suspending 2-3 doctors, they cannot wash away from their responsibility. There should be a judicial inquiry into the entire thing. The doctors, the bureaucrats, the minister, it seems it is a big caucus. It seems there's a big racket of fake medicines and a lot of money which is involved in the entire health department, which is here in Chhattisgarh, that needs to be investigated. Otherwise, many more such incidents can be seen in the coming years or coming days, and the CM should
Well, some exclusive inputs that we're getting in with more news breaking this minute. With investigations that have been on, we should remember the Bilaspur incident has opened up a Pandora's box. We're being told that nearly 400 women so far have succumbed to this criminal negligence during sterilization camps. During these sterilization surgeries that are ordered by the government, the women offered 1,400 rupees for getting these surgeries done, but the stark record here that exists on these surgeries that have been done, we're being told that in the past 3 years, nearly 400 women have died in these killer camps, is what we're calling them.